Alright, so I got something kind of cool for you guys today. So on my drift car slash, I guess, street car, I'm just basically gonna do a simple tune. It already has an AA tune on it for the Supercharger kit and everything, but I just kind of want to do a change to how the rev limiter sounds. Honestly, it doesn't really sound that great. It kind of sounds weird. It's more of like a it just doesn't work, especially when you're at rev limiter. Like, it's kind of weird. So I'm just gonna do something completely different. I'm gonna put my own kind of rev limiter on there. It's gonna sound a little bit more faster. I don't know if it's gonna hurt the engine, probably, but you know, the oil pump not as welded already, so if that goes, I don't see how it's gonna go. But even if it does break anything, it can be fixed, so it's no big deal. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I have another DME right here. I'm just gonna clone the one that's on that car already, and then just go ahead and have basically a one-to-one copy. So I'll do all my changes on this one, and then I'll just leave the other one alone and just kind of keep that as a spare. So this is what it's gonna sound like. Just let it, oh my god, warm up for a little. This is my trusty e-brake. So this is what it kind of sounds like with the AA tune. So we're gonna make it a little bit more fun. So this is my little bench setup. I'm just gonna plug this one in. Just do a quick read. Now we're gonna go File, ECU Info. Alright, so I finally finished cloning the original one to this computer. So now what I'm going to do is pretty much just install and check and make sure it works. I did actually add a burble tune to this one instead of changing the hysteresis on the RPM, because for some reason I couldn't find a table on this one. I don't know if maybe that's something these guys do, but I don't know. So that I really don't have an answer for. But I did do a burble tune, so I'm gonna try that, see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds pretty sick, and hopefully we get some flames out of this thing, because I kind of want some flames. So let me install it. Let's put this thing back in. So I already deleted EWS on this, so I don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. Alright, put this guy back in. Slide under there. In case you're wondering if I actually secure this, I really don't. I just kind of leave it in there. I have the other one. I usually put one on at least, like that. So, I mean, that's pretty stable, so. Yeah, let's go to nuts. Put this back on, like that. Did I leave? Oh man, I left the gun too. Makita's like more than 10 years old. Thing's freaking badass. Love my Makita. Oops. Doesn't have to be crazy tight, so don't go too nuts. So that's in there, that's all good. I just gotta plug the battery back in. That's it. My super expensive battery box. Yeah, we can see. Wait, let me make sure. Double check and make sure nothing's alright. That's all good. That's all good. That's good. There's nothing like weird hanging around or anything. Alright, cool. So hope it starts. It'll start. It should start. Hopefully. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm not that fat. Oh. You know what? Let me get something for that. If you know what this is, you must really know your E36 is. Ow! Oh man, this is good. That works really well. Okay. So I can keep this here. Alright. Oh, so far so good. It starts. Don't worry about this gauge. It doesn't work. I unplugged the freaking sensor. It used to leak a lot, so I just got rid of it. Plus that gauge doesn't work. I don't know why. I gotta figure that out. Gauge might be busted or something. I wouldn't doubt it. It's old. plug my handbrake back in. The world's gangsterest handbrake.